if we sent a community to Mars, they would depend entirely on the resources that they share in common. Before we spend the billions of dollars and place at risk the hundreds of lives to send people to Mars, we need to be able to equip them with the tools to effectively navigate commons dilemmas. Port of Mars is a science experiment cosplaying as a game. So we can discover what sorts of strategies and actions tended to lead toward successful communities. One of the things I find fascinating about this project is that it involves the public directly in the process of doing the science. And I think that specific combination is pretty special, and I'm excited about it.